We made 6 entries with this piece of work, and we won 5 lions and 1 shortlist. So it was really good. Good everything.
So we were celebrating the 20 years of IKEA Portugal, and we decided, and at the same time, we did a study, and we understood that our quality perception was really having a misperception of what quality, that our products have quality. So what we decided to do, it was really to take this opportunity when we are talking about our celebration of the 20 years to talk also about the durability of our products. So the brief was exactly that, not to do the usual celebration, but to pinpoint already this quality movement that we wanted to start.
Home decor pieces are not built to last.
IKEA has a reputation of not being the most durable products.
IKEA furniture is trash.
But that's not true.
It's about long-lasting things that age in a beautiful way.
So this kind of ideas. We were talking with the team some weeks ago, and they were confessing that they had this idea in their drawer for some time. I mean, not the idea closed as it was presented, but this piece of information that the numbers, these numbers that you find in the furniture tags actually mean a date and the date that the furniture was made. And they thought, wow, this is really curious. I never heard of it. So they kept that piece of information in their creatives drawer, waiting for the right opportunity to bring it into a campaign. And when we got this brief that we should celebrate 20 years of IKEA in Portugal and we should focus on the misperception of lack of quality that the furniture may have, they thought, wow, maybe this is the opportunity to come up with this piece of information that it's right in the eyes of everyone and nobody knows what it means. So it was like, wow, this is a perfect brief for this.
And I remember when they presented it, we were all waiting to get home to see if we had the tags in the product at home. It was super fun. And it happened all the time we presented it. To move with the campaign. Whenever we presented it, everyone went home to look for a tag. So you immediately saw that there was something special in the idea.
If you ever assemble an IKEA furniture, you've probably seen these tags. And what people don't know is that every tag contains the birthday of each product. And with them, we can then calculate how old they are.
So we made an entire country hunt for tags to find the oldest piece of IKEA furniture in Portugal.
There was a pattern in a lot of those stories, which was people saying that this piece of furniture actually was more enduring in time than most of the relationships they had in their lives. So a lot of stories came up saying, oh, this table lasted longer than the 3 husbands that I had, or this couch saw me having a boyfriend, then becoming a husband, and then having kids, and then the divorce. Really funny and truth, because we all have these stories of this piece of furniture that changes with our house, and I've seen so many relationships occurring, and it's still there as a testimony.
Yeah, and also the winner, it's amazing. It's a side table from 1969, and IKEA in Portugal only opened 21 years ago. So imagine. So it was someone that bought the table in Sweden and then brought it with him to Portugal. So it's also fun to see that that people value and see that the furniture lasts longer than they are expecting. And the good part, it's not IKEA telling them. It's they acknowledging that the furniture is with them for so much longer than they expect. So it's really fun.
We received thousands of tags. Many were older than our first store in Portugal. Like Trojan horses hidden inside their homes for years, people began to discover that they owned IKEA furniture for longer than they thought. The oldest piece of IKEA furniture found in Portugal made us go back to our 1969 catalogue. Reason to say old but gold.
I think that honestly, we kept it really true to IKEA. And IKEA, it's all about simplicity and simple insights that people can resonate really simply. So it's really not adding more things on top, but make it more emotional and more easy to connect with. So we really try to, and we always do that. If you see other works that we have been working together, and even in global scale from IKEA, we always try to do simple because it's what works and what people really can connect with. So what we try to do, it's a bit what Suzanne is saying, it's to continue the story. It's not doing everything at the same time, not wanting to tackle all the problems that we have at the same time, because that never works. It's starting a movement. And we started with durability. Now we're tracking more on the emotional connection, connected also with this durability aspect. But it's a way forward. It's really not trying to solve all the brand problems in one campaign, because that is really impossible.
That's how thousands of old tags inspired millions to regain their trust in IKEA furniture. IKEA Hidden Tags, the search for the oldest IKEA piece of furniture.
We just won a pencil in the NAD, and we thought, oh, maybe we'll win in Cannes, so let's book our trip. So we just found a very shitty hotel outside Cannes because everything was booked. And we decided to go like 1 week before. And,
Yeah. Me like 3 days.
yeah. So it was really good we weren't, because we got to go on stage and all the photos.
It was so fun. So I would say that for the brand, it had quite an impact. I think even in Portugal, there are not so many wins in Cannes, even a gold. It's really, really good. And the brand was really praised in a lot of places, a lot of PR also going on. So it was really good for the brand. Everyone recognized the brand as being special and important. Did an important contribution for the overall creative in Portugal.
Yeah, for us it was amazing too. As an agency, we got a lot of recognition from our clients, other than IKEA, of course, and from the industry. And for the team, for the teams involved, it was amazing. It's like that badge that you can put on your website. And of course, you can see we are at Uzina right now, but in our entrance of the office, there stand the lions, all the 5 of them, shining. We polish them every day.
Yeah. And another thing which is important, it's also for IKEA Portugal. We are such a small country, and being one of the awarded ones, even for global, it's really good that you feel recognized. And sharing it with Global was really good. They were really happy with our work. So it was also good.
I think it was also very important for our country, being a small country, and for the agency, of course. This idea that, and mostly because of what happened last year, and somehow award shows are very, very associated with scam work and people lying and not doing the work as they should do. I think it was a very good sign for us and for our industry. And in Portugal, it was very talked that such a real campaign with a real brief, with a real impact on people, can be awarded that big in Cannes. I think it was like a cherry on top of everything. So it was really good. I think we learned 2 things. First, you really have to have a simple idea. And, maybe the campaign has different parts and has different moments in time, but just stick to tell the idea. What's the big idea in the story? Don't try to tell everything. And then invest as much as having a good idea and executing well. Invest as much in telling it in a simple, funny way, I don't know how many times we redone the video case. We worked on it 3 months, probably. And when we thought it was good, then we showed it to someone who had nothing to do with the work, just to kill your darlings and say, what can you do even better to make it crystal clear what you are telling, and the impact it had. So we work a lot to make good work. And this time we put a lot of effort to tell it well told. So I think that did a difference also.